at that big plane! It's beautiful! Did the suitcase bark? What's inside? It barked again!
Stay close, kids.
Sir, please open it slowly. Okay, I'll be careful.
It's a puppy! Hi, little puppy. I think it likes you. I think it's lost.
Poor little puppy.
Attention, please. A little girl is looking for her missing golden retriever puppy. If you find the puppy,
Wait for us! We're coming! Don't lose him! Buddy! I found you!
Thank you so much. You helped our family. We're just happy Buddy is safe.
I'll miss you, buddy.
Final boarding call for Flight 308.
Oh no!
That's our flight!
Let's go! Gate B12!
Hurry! We're almost there! We can make it!
Keep going.
The gate is still open!
We made it just in time.
Bye, buddy!
Time to fly.
Best airport ever!
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Wow, it's so big! I can see everything! This is the best seat. Buddy came back!
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Bye, buddy. We're flying! It looks like a cloud ocean. It's beautiful. Now I'll always remember Buddy.
That's a wonderful memory.
The world looks different from up here.
Everything looks so tiny.
Well, this was an unforgettable trip.
The best airport adventure ever!